Hi everyone and welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About It with Kumaring Pam. Today we're diving into a topic that sparks a lot of debate. Can ex-lovers still remain friends? We'll explore the consequences, the pros and cons, and everything in between. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's talk about it. Can ex-lovers still remain friends? It's a question that many of us have asked at one point or another. Can you truly go from being in a romantic relationship to just being friends? Some say it's possible, others believe it's too complicated. The truth is, it really depends on the individuals involved and the circumstances surrounding their breakup. Maybe you both had mutual respect and the breakup was amicable, or perhaps time apart helped to heal old wounds. But let's be real, not every ex can pull off the friend role without it feeling a bit awkward. There are consequences to this decision, and they're worth considering. For some, staying friends with an ex can lead to confusion, especially if one person still has feelings or if the boundaries aren't clear. In other cases, it could cause tension in new relationships. Trust issues might arise, and jealousy could take hold if one ex moves on before the other. But on the flip side, it could also provide emotional support, especially if the relationship ended on good terms. So, what are the advantages and disadvantages of staying friends with your ex? First off, you already know each other well. So there's some emotional comfort that comes with staying in touch. You might share mutual friends or be part of the same community, making it easier to stay connected. It could be a sign of maturity that both of you are in a better place emotionally. On the flip side, it can be tough to move on emotionally if you're constantly seeing your ex. It might make it harder to open up to new people and relationships. There's also the potential of repeating old patterns, which isn't great for anyone. And let's not forget the risk of straining friendships. If mutual friends are involved, it could create some awkward situations. What are the takeaways? First, ask yourself, why do I want to remain friends with my ex? If it's for the right reasons, healing, mutual respect, or shared memories, then it might work. But if it's out of convenience or unfinished emotional business, it could be time to let go. Remember, it's okay to prioritize your well-being and emotional growth over staying in touch. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic. Have you ever tried being friends with an ex? How did it work out for you? Drop your comments below and let's get the conversation going. That's it for today's episode of Let's Talk About It with Kumaring Pam. I hope you enjoyed the discussion. Don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, take care of your heart and your happiness. Thank you for watching. Bye!